Hello, hello. I am actually catching a flight this afternoon to Minnesota tonight to surprise my husband with this special dessert I'm making directly Uber to the hospital. Delivery, those fortune cookies, which I never made a fortune cookies because fortune cookie is not Chinese. Hopefully I have enough time. I look up a few recipes. All the recipes made it by Americans. I didn't see any Asian recipes. So finally I found this recipe from this Asian chef. I trust her. When I moved here from China, the first thing I asked my husband to do is, I want to try Chinese food. We were in a small town in Minnesota. Only Chinese food in town is this fast food chain. You know what I'm talking about. Order some noodles and dumplings. Also order some wonton because I thought the wonton gonna be steamed with pork inside. When I had a bite, there was some white stuff inside. I asked him, what's this? He said, cream cheese wonton, which is something I never had in China. When we finished the meal, the waitress brought fortune cookies with the check. I had no idea. I look at him, I look at his eyes, I said, what's this? Then he started laughing because I never seen fortune cookies in my life. After dinner in China, we just have some oranges, like fruit. Never had cookies, and with a fortune. So same thing happened to my parents when they first visit here. They find the fortune cookies so fascinating. Chinese restaurant in America is so fancy. They serve cookies, free cookies, and with a fortune. So on the way out, they will grab some more cookies. Next time you go to China, if you don't get fortune cookies, now you know why. Send your friend this video. Explain. Make a little well in the middle, pour in canola oil, vanilla extract, water. Mix. So now the dough is a little dry. We still need to add the egg white in here. Add a half egg white in the flour, and we mix. Now I feel like a little sticky dough. Just add the rest of the egg white. No, it's so smooth. Put some of the batter in a different bowl. Something red. Just do a tiny drop red. Mix the red color. Already feeling like a Valentine's Day. Pink. Well, that's enough. Looking cute. So now turn the oven 350 on bake. Just about 1 tablespoon. Now I can measure with my Chinese eyeballs. Don't do too much batter. Otherwise, the fortune cookie will be too thick and then hard to bake. It'll be too soft. Drop it on the mat and spread the batter into a circle evenly. Otherwise, your fortune cookie won't be crunchy, it will be soft, but still tastes good. We squeeze this on the fortune cookie like a little dot. You can do more dots, depends on how many hearts you want to do. With my spoon, drop some this white, like a yellow batter on here. Toothpick. Then we cross the red dot, make a little heart like that. Just gonna be so pretty. Hope my husband will be impressed. He never seen me make fortune cookies, so now to put in the oven. For my oven, I would try 6 minutes. Sometimes you overbake, it'll be too crunchy, you can't fold them. I got this paper box, so I'm gonna get out for you. I will be using those to pack the fortune cookies. So let's start drawing and design something cute. So I think those probably, depends on how big they're gonna turn out. I can fit 4 in here, probably. And on the top, something romantic or funny. Drawing always fun for me, and I love drawing since I was in middle school, start drawing. But my dad said, you're not gonna find a job if you become an artist. You better study computer science. That's what Chinese parents do. So I studied computer science in college. But now, my drawing skills actually useful. So this box, you can decorate it for food, fried rice, anything, then draw some cute pictures on the top. So we're starting with this 2 cartoon people doing a difficult love pose. And they look like a much younger version of us. Yeah, when you get old, You just don't remember every year your birthday. Actually, my birthday's coming. You have to think, how old am I this year? It's too many numbers. When you're getting older, you can't do the math on your birthday. That's normal. One day, you will be there. So fortune cookie has to be in Chinese writing, right? More authentic. Okay, so I'm writing Happy Valentine's Day in Chinese. Even he cannot read this. Then he better go Google Translate. Then the fortune will be, do the pose from the box. Ooh. Oh, perfect. Little heart. Heart on the top. Cute, cute, cute. You want to see this? Perfect, right? Now we just need to put fortune cookies in here. Okay, let's see. The bake of fortune cookie is easy to take out. Flip over with a spatula. Then I fold the fortune inside just with a rice ball, or you can use a cup to fold over. Now they're still a little soft, so I put them in the muffin pan. So later, when it's cold, they will keep the shape. It's done. Let's pack up the fortune cookies. Then I have to catch the flight. Say goodbye to the circus. I think this is gonna be a special Valentine's Day gift. Not just this, me. I'm the gift, right? I think he liked that better than the fortune cookies. Yeah. Let's take the box on the plane. I'm gonna pack some extra in case those are crushed. Let me write a character. I love in Chinese. Okay, let's go. Getting dark, getting dark. You guys, 听话，听思想话 and 红红，妈妈走了 ，leaving。红红，快跟妈妈说再见。Bye, Pepper. Bye, 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 Pepper. See you in 2 days. Surprise, Daddy. Pepper ran away. 你进来了啊 ，Bye, bye, Pepper, bye. Okay, we're here. Let's go. Thank you. Oh. So here in the garage, we're getting out. Freezing cold. I'm going upstairs the skyway. Look at the snow here behind me. Right there. Oh, so much snow. Now from palm tree to snow. There, he's working there, hospital in the building. So let's give him a call. Okay. Excited. Hello. Are you cold here in Minnesota? You busy? Can you come to where you come out the skyway where you usually park? Why? Come here. Are you busy? You're not busy. Come to the skyway. He gonna come to a skyway. Just wait here. Me. And got something for you. They hold my bag. Here. Jewelry, yeah. Okay, here's the fortune. You have to read the fortune. Come here. See? There's a special fortune for you. You have to eat it. It's a fortune cookie, right? You don't even eat it.
Oh, so crunchy.
You didn't eat it. How do you know it's so crunchy?
Oh, we're crunchy.
Homemade Happy Valentine's Day. Where's my gift?
Me.
You.
I can't read Chinese.
Yeah, that's Happy Valentine's Day in Chinese.
You want me to read it?
Yeah?
Do the pose from the box.
Do the pose for box. You didn't even look at the box. What do you mean? You didn't look at inside the box.
Oh. I don't think I can do that or
You have to do it.
I don't think so.
What do you mean? Yeah. I flew over here from Orlando. You're not gonna do this? That's your fortune. Do the pose from the box.
Okay. Where?
Where? Here in the hallway. See? Don't look around. You ready? Okay, you failed your test. You need more workout. It's. So what do you want to do next?
Next, have another cookie.
Another cookie. So there's a pink one, have a regular one. I didn't even have any now. I'm hungry.
Here, have had.
So what was your plan tonight? So crunchy.
Gonna cook.
Cook for me or take me out?
I'll take you out.
Hello, hello. This one is for you. Do the pose. Very funny, huh? Can you hold the box?